A very good day to all of you students. Today I shall teach you class ninth Geography lesson 3rd. Name of the chapter is drainage and it's a part 1 of this chapter. First I tell you the meaning of the drainage. Meaning of the drainage is that a drainage is the river system of an area. And the area drained by a single river system is called a drainage basin. The river Ganga has the largest basin in India, and the world's largest drainage basin is of the Nile River in Egypt. Water divide any elevated area such as mountain or an upland which separate the two drainage basin is known as a water divide. For example, the main water divide in the peninsular India is formed by the Western Ghats, which run from north to south close to the western coast. Next is the drainage system in India. The drainage system of India are mainly controlled by the broad relief features of the subcontinent. Accordingly, Indian rivers are divided into two major groups. One is the Himalayan River and second Peninsular River. Himalayan rivers are long and are joined by the many large and important tributaries. And most of the Himalayan rivers are perennial. Perennial means that the rivers have water throughout the year, and these rivers receive water from rain as well as from the melted snow from the lofty mountains. And peninsular rivers, these rivers are seasonal as their flow is dependent on rainfall, and these rivers have shorter and shallower courses. Three major Himalayan rivers are Indus, Ganga, and Brahmaputra. Next is the drainage patterns. The stream within a drainage basin form certain patterns depending on the slope of land, underlying rock structure, as well as the climate condition of an area. These are the dendritic, trellis, rectangulars, and the radial patterns. The dendritic pattern develops where the river channels follow the slope of the terrain, and the stream with its tributaries resemble the branches of a tree. Thus, the name is dendritic. And next, trellis, a river joined by its tributaries and approximately at the right angle, and develops a trellis pattern. This pattern dwells where hard and soft rocks exist parallel to each other. And rectangular, a rectangular drainage pattern dwells on a strongly joint rocky terrain. The a radial pattern dwells when streams flow in different direction from a central peak or dome-like structure. The Himalayan rivers, the major Himalayan rivers are the Indus, Ganga, and the Brahmaputra. These rivers are long and joined by many large and important tributaries. A river along with its tributaries may be called as a river system. First I shall tell you the Indus river system. The river Indus rises in Tibet near Lake Mansarovar. Flowing west, it enters India in Ladakh district of Jammu and Kashmir. It forms a picturesque gorge in this part. Several tributaries, the Jaskar, the Nubra, the Shyok, the Hunja, join it in the Kashmir region. The Satluj, Byas, Ravi, the Chenab, the Jhelum join together to enter the Indus near Mithankot in Pakistan. The Indus flows southward, reaching the Arabian Sea east of Karachi. The Indus plain has a very gentle slope with a total length of 2900 km. The Indus is one of the longest river of the world. The Indus is a basin. Indus basin is located in India in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and the Punjab, and rest is in the Pakistan. Next is the Ganga river system. Student, the headwaters of Ganga is called Bhagirathi. It is fed by Gangotri Glacier, and Alaknanda joins it at Devrayag in Uttarakhand. The Ganga is joined by many tributaries, the Yamuna, the Gagra, the Gandak, and the Kosi. Student, its main tributaries that come from the peninsular uplands are the Chambal, the Betwa, and the Son. The Ganga flows eastward till Farakka. The Meghna River with waters from the Ganga and the Brahmaputra flow into the Bay of Bengal. And the Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers form the Sundarban Delta, which is the world's largest and fastest growing delta. Next, Brahmaputra river system of the Himalayan river. The Brahmaputra rises in the Tibet east of Mansarovar Lake. It is very close to the source of Indus and the Satluj. It is slightly longer than the Indus, and most of its course lies outside India. It flows eastward parallel to the Himalayas. Student, on reaching the Namcha Barwa, 7,757 meter, it takes a U-turn and enters India in Arunachal Pradesh through a gorge. Here it is called the Dhyang, and it is joined by the Dibang, the Lohit, the Kenula, and many other tributaries to form the Brahmaputra in Assam. Student, in Tibet, the river carries a smaller volume of water, and there is a less silt. The river has a braided channel in its entire length in Assam and forms many riverine islands. Student, the Brahmaputra causes widespread devastation due to floods in Assam and Bangladesh. Student, I have taught you the first part of this chapter. I think you might have understood. The rest of the things I shall tell you in the next video. So you like it and share it to the other student to get education. You subscribe my video so that you can get next educational video. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you all.